Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You want more screen time? Start by preparing evidence and permission. Explain why you need an adjustment and show 7 days of usage so the other person sees facts, not feelings. Once done, propose a specific compromise, extra 30 minutes for study apps or an hour on weekends. Make sure to state how you'll manage responsibilities in return. This direct approach opens the door to agreed changes rather than covert workarounds, and it signals responsibility and respect for the rules. Once you've opened the conversation, shift to concrete trade-offs and scheduling. Propose measurable swaps like extra minutes for completed chores or a study block reward system that ties access to achievement. Suggest app-specific exceptions for education or communication rather than blanket allowances, and explain why those help you be productive. Make sure to include a trial period of 1 to 2 weeks with preset review points. This shows flexibility. It also reduces friction, because both sides can evaluate real results rather than speculative promises. Put the agreed plan into action and test it for several days. Document any issues and keep a short log so you can speak to problems calmly. Once done, meet at the review date and adjust settings based on results. Be ready to compromise further. If something breaks or expectations aren't met, pause and renegotiate. Do not attempt to bypass controls. This maintains trust and leads to lasting changes. A single troubleshooting tip: use neutral language and concrete examples when you revisit the agreement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.